What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Space Blunders and Technicalities, the only show where it worked can mean we're all fired.
Today's episode, the launch that technically worked, but really didn't tell.
That's right. Sometimes you follow the manual to the letter, hit every check mark, and the universe still finds a way to clown you.
So buckle up, because this story's got more loopholes than your cousin's tax return.
Let's set the scene. It's the big day at Mission Control. You got Dr. Simmons, launch director, king of PowerPoint slides. Dr. Wu, systems lead, caffeine levels classified. And of course, Chad, the intern, whose only real job is don't touch anything. The press is here, the politicians are here. Your grandma is watching the live stream and texting proud of Wu every 5 minutes.
People, this is the launch that puts us on the map. Everything is by the book, understood?
I've run the numbers, double-checked, triple-checked. If anything goes wrong, it's not math, it's the Matrix.
The snacks are ready. Also, I made a TikTok dance for the countdown.
10, 9, 8, nerves are tight. Chad's already trending on TikTok with hashtag rocket dance. 7, 6, Wu scanning every screen. Simmons is sweating through his tie. 5, 4, 3, cameras are rolling. The world is watching. 2, 1, launch. Rocket engines roar. There's confetti. Simmons is pumping his fist. Chad's flossing in the background.
Trajectory stable. All systems nominal. We are technically GO.
At first, everything looks perfect. The rocket rises, the telemetry is clean, the news is calling it a historic liftoff. But then the rocket starts veering just a little bit. Like, I'm not lost, I just don't want to be found energy.
Minor deviation. Within parameters.
Looks like it's doing the cha-cha slide.
It's fine, it's fine. Right, Wu?
We are technically still go.
A few minutes in, systems start acting up. The rocket's main engine is working, but a thruster is stuck. The thing's spinning like a fidget spinner at recess.
Guidance is doing a little interpretive dance.
Yo, it's got moves.
Are we still within mission parameters?
Technically, yes. But in practice, no.
The press starts asking questions.
Is the rocket on course? Will it reach orbit?
Is that smoke supposed to be coming out? NASA's PR is spinning harder than the rocket. PR rep. The launch was a technical success. We achieved liftoff and dynamic flight conditions. Translation, we have no idea where it's going, but it sure went somewhere. Memes explode on social media. Rocket with sunglasses captioned, "I did my best." Chad photoshopped as the rocket's pilot, spinning for science. The real drama starts when it's time to deploy the payload. The satellite's supposed to separate and glide into the perfect orbit. Instead, the capsule pops off and just floats nearby. It's like ordering Uber Eats and the driver stops in your neighbor's driveway and throws your food over the fence.
Payload separation technically achieved.
Is it in orbit?
It's in an orbit. Maybe not the one we wanted.
You know what they say, location, location, location.
It gets worse. The rocket's out of fuel. The satellite's tumbling. The mission's goal, high-precision weather monitoring, has become, let's hope it doesn't crash into a Taco Bell.
Mission accomplished. In the loosest sense.
Nobody say a word to the sponsors. We could still get a sponsorship from Dramamine.
The world wants answers. Simmons and Wu face the cameras with the energy of people who just learned their credit card got declined.
Was the launch a success?
Technically, yes. The rocket launched, the systems functioned, and the payload was released.
But did it work?
Define work.
It worked. It just didn't work.
NASA's spin machine cranks up. Data was collected. Valuable lessons learned. Next time, with minor adjustments. Major success. Social media is savage. NASA, where close enough is an achievement. At Flat Earth Tony, you can't fail in space if space is fake. At Science Nerd, still better than my group project. Memes, rocket in a tree, I tried. Satellite with a stick, do something. Team sits down for the debrief. Was it the software? Was it the thruster? Was it Chad? Turns out a typo in the code had the rocket thinking left was right. Chad's side hustle as a TikTok dance coach is suspended indefinitely.
Next time, we triple check Chad.
And quadruple check the software.
I'll just stick to snacks.
So what did we learn, folks? Technically isn't always good enough. Space doesn't care about your checklists. Chad should never touch the code or the snacks or anything. Success is sometimes just failure with better PR. If you're going to spin, at least do it with confidence. If you laughed at this tale of technicalities and orbital oopsies,
Smash that like button like you're mashing the abort key.
Ring that
Subscribe
bell
for more space shenanigans and ring that bell so you never miss another cosmic success.
And remember, sometimes mission accomplished just means it didn't explode right away.